PC4!
PC4!
Are you okay?
She's moving so much!
Oh my gosh!
Wake up, PC4!
Chad,
Wake up!
PC4!
Huh? Oh, you're awake!
Are you feeling okay?
I actually feel great.
It worked! She's safe!
Precisely.
But oh my gosh, now Chad's in trouble, you guys!
Oh, he's on the phone.
I'm stuck in a bag. I can't breathe. Project Zorgo just threw me down on the ground. I'm in the middle of the desert. Come save me, quick!
You're in a bag in the middle of the desert?
What the heck?
Oh my gosh. Okay, pin me your location and we'll go there immediately.
Are you good to come, PC4? Let's go!
Good, let's go.
Chad?
Hey, Chad!
Chad Wild Clay?
Oh!
Wait, do you hear that?
It's me! Daniel! PC4! Or Regina! Can you guys hear me?
You can hear us? Okay, there's like an echo in this area. So I don't see him.
I'm moving! I'm kicking my legs! Look for a blue bag!
Where's that coming from?
Okay, I think it's coming way over there. Oh my gosh, do you think that's Chad? That bag is moving. Okay, he's in the bag. Oh my gosh.
Chad! Chad!
Chad!
Oh my gosh!
Chad? Is that you?
Yes!
Chad?
There's a hole right here. The zipper's stuck though. I can't open it.
I recognize that mouth. Okay.
Can you guys get the zipper?
Oh yeah, we'll just get it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, open it.
Yeah. It's stuck. I couldn't get it. It's like 150 degrees in here.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh, it is stuck.
Do you have any ninja gadgets on you? Oh, you can cut the bag open.
I only have Spy Gadget with me. I have my decoder wheel.
Oh, that's not sharp enough.
No.
We should like find something sharp around here. There's gotta be something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any sharp objects?
Yeah, is there like broken bottles or something around here? Whatever we find, we gotta make sure we don't actually like hurt them though.
You think this one? Oh no, it just...
Oh, it like falls apart.
It does. It falls apart.
Maybe like a twig or something like this. We just. Oh, no, that's not gonna work. Okay.
Keep an eye out, Spy Ninjas, if you see anything that might help Chad.
Yeah.
Wait,
What's that?
is this what you're seeing?
Yeah. It's glass
Okay.
from like a soda can.
Yeah. Alright guys, if you find any broken glass out in the middle of the desert, you should never pick it up. We only need this to help Chad. Otherwise, we wouldn't be picking this up either. It's dangerous.
Let's cut him free. Cut him free.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, what the heck?
What is going on? No, we gotta stop them. I'm gonna run after them.
Yeah, we gotta.
Stop! What? No!
They're carrying Chad up a hill. You don't want them to drop Chad.
That's true. Yeah, if we startle them or anything, they'll drop the bag and they'll hurt Chad.
But that's my husband in there. I need to save him.
Well, they gotta put him down eventually, right?
We can battle them when they put the bag down.
You might be right, but let's get closer.
Okay, yeah, we can't take our eyes off of them.
Yes.
Where are they taking him?
One fell down.
One fell down. Oh no! But they're dragging Chad now.
They're just dragging him like he's some sort of animal.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna call Chad.
Yeah, call him to see if he's okay.
Yeah.
Wait, but what if the phone rings and the hacker finds out and they know that he has a phone?
Yeah, you're right. We don't want to like make too much noise, and then the hackers are alerted by us. So we got to make sure that we don't call them yet.
Okay.
Oh
no!
Get down.
It's an emergency alert. It says Chad is wanted.
The hackers are making it look like Chad is the leader of Project Zorgo.
Oh wait, it looks like the hackers got an alert too. Look, they're checking their phones.
Oh no, they're celebrating.
They're celebrating. They're the ones responsible for this, I bet.
Yeah.
They're pointing at Chad right now. Oh my gosh, look at him.
Our plan was successful. Now we can frame Chad and take him to the police station.
They're gonna bring me to the police station?
And then we can finally get back to hacking YouTube.
Wait, this is perfect. If they bring me to the police station, I have the footage that proves they're the ones who did all of this.
Okay, since they're messing around with him right now, making a lot of noise, I'm gonna give Chad a call. Speakerphone. Chad, it's me. We just got an emergency alert that you're wanted by the police.
But I have the footage that proves I'm innocent, and they're actually the ones who are probably going to end up getting arrested. So I think this is perfect that they're bringing me to the police station.
Oh, you do?
He got the SD card.
Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. We're gonna be free. We're gonna be okay, PC4?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Chad, don't worry. Me, Daniel, and PC4 will still follow you. So don't worry, we'll get you out of there.
Great. Yeah, keep an eye on me because I have no idea what they're going to do. They might try to pull something crazy.
Right.
Keep
Okay.
going.
Where are they going?
Yeah, let's hide. We're out in the open, guys. Come on. What are they doing to him? Oh!
okay? You can't just walk straight when there's a tree in the middle.
Yeah, go around.
Oh, are they that dumb?
I think so. Yeah, they just keep carrying him around. They're not putting him down. When they put him down, that's our chance to battle royale them, I feel like.
So we need to come up with a plan to make the bag heavier. If it's heavy, then they'll put him down.
All right, so how are we gonna make it heavier?
Yeah, we can't just like
Maybe.
teleport things inside the bag.
What if V goes in the bag too? So it's 2 people in the bag.
That's a horrible idea.
I like the sound of that. Yeah.
No, what? What are you guys talking about?
You sneak in the bag
Yeah.
when they. You know what? Yeah, that's a bad idea, PZ4.
The zipper's broken anyway, so
Yeah.
it's not gonna work.
What if we tell Chad to like poop his pants or something?
He's not a part of Project Zorgo, and what will that do?
Oh yeah, that's right. The poop's already inside him.
Because the weight was still the same. It's just inside the body or outside of the body, Daniel.
You're right.
Okay, how about I just call Chad? You know how there's a hole out of the bag?
Oh yeah, we saw his eyeball.
So whenever he gets dropped, you can take his hand out secretly, pick up a rock, and just keep putting it inside of it.
Oh yeah.
Great idea.
Yeah, before you know it, it'll be like 1,000 pounds, and they'll have to drop it.
Okay, all right,
Okay.
no problem. Chad, okay, we have a plan. We noticed that the Project Zorgo member keeps dropping you.
Yeah.
So each time they drop you, make sure to grab a bunch of rocks from the ground and then just put it inside your bag so it makes it a lot heavier.
Good idea, V. Okay, I'm gonna grab some rocks.
And then once it's heavy enough, we're gonna battle them, and we're gonna set you free.
Yeah. All right.
Got it.
Okay, sounds good. Good luck.
Oh wow. Okay.
Look at the way they're carrying him.
Yeah. You can tell they're getting tired. Just a little more weight, and they'll be putting that baby down.
His arm is not long enough to grab rocks right now.
Yeah.
Right. He's so up high.
Oh, I'm trying to be quiet so they don't know that I'm awake. But it really hurts.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Now's our chance to battle them. Go. Oh wait. Hold up. They picked them back up.
Darn it!
Oh gosh. They're carrying me again. Hope they put me down a little more gently this time.
Hopefully he picked up some rocks while he was dropped.
Yeah. He's a little closer to the ground. That's good.
Oh my gosh.
No!
Oh,
Oh my gosh!
there's a rock right there.
It's a huge boulder and they just hit Chad with it!
Did you guys see him pick up any rocks?
I saw his arm coming out of that hole and picked them up.
Okay, hopefully
Oh no, they dropped him again!
Now's our chance to get it. Go.
No,
Oh,
oh no, they're dragging.
oh, we were too late again.
Gosh, they're dragging Chad up the rocks!
Please, stay down low.
That's my precious cargo in there!
Hey, mine too. They're going to like this big barricade thing. How are they gonna get over there? Oh no, they're not gonna toss him over there, are
No! I'm gonna go.
they? Oh! Oh!
They're trying to get up.
Oh!
Can we try and beat them to the other side?
I think so. Yeah.
Let's run up there.
Let's go.
Go.
Okay, there's the barricade. There's the bags. Let's go. We're just sitting down.
What should we do? They're just like throwing rocks.
they dropped him, so I think we should just make a run for it. We could take him down, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Me and PZ4 handle the hackers. And Daniel, you grab the bag just in case.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that'll be my job. All right.
Okay.
Oh, gosh.
Regina! Why are you so clumsy all the time?
Sorry, guys. We're fine. They don't even see us.
Yeah, but we blew it. We blew our chance. PZ4, you know what?
What?
You're a nuisance sometimes.
I'm sorry.
Oh no!
Oh! That guy almost fell off the cliff.
He's laughing at his own teammate.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh, gosh.
Maybe we don't even have to do anything.
Yeah.
Just take care of each other.
Yeah. Yeah, fight.
Do you see a pit down there?
Oh, yeah. It goes in right there. Okay.
Do you think they're gonna roll Chad down there?
I don't know. Maybe we should get in there just to catch them if they do
Catch
that.
him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Go in.
Get in the pit. Oh, guys. They put him down.
Okay, we need to be in position so we can catch him. Down there.
Go, 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 go.
There's some rocks. Make this bag really heavy for them to carry. Then they'll be too tired to carry me.
Oh, there's his hand. There's his hand.
He's doing it.
Yes, yes. Grab the rock. Yes. Good job. Yes, make it as heavy as you can, Chad. Don't let the hacker see you. Nice. Okay. All right, I think that's pretty good. That should be pretty heavy now.
It's totally working.
They're struggling.
Oh, he's getting heavy.
Okay. Yeah, do you hear that? They said it's getting heavier.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
They're gonna get tired pretty soon, you guys.
Yeah, they're gonna drop him any moment now. Let's keep following.
Let's go.
Wait, they're going up that hill.
Yeah, I think I heard one of them say that they're gonna like roll him down the hill or something.
Roll him?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, let's hide. Let's go to that bush. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Gosh, that one's almost falling down. They're resting again? Oh, Chad must be getting really heavy. Oh, yeah. Oh no.
Oh shoot. What is it?
Oh no.
I'm rolling! Oh, I'm going down a hill! Ow! That felt like a bunch of rocks I just rolled down.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Oh. He's checking on him.
He said thumbs up. So he's good?
Good. The other one's coming down.
Oh shit. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Okay, they're leaving, so I think this is the perfect time to save Chad.
Let's pop out of the bushes. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go! Go! Chad!
Chad, are you okay?
Get him out of here!
Let's get him out of here.
Oh, guys!
Hey, that's property of Project Zorgo. Get out of here.
What are you doing with Chad?
He was stealing information!
He was trying to frame the Project Zorgo.
What?
No, you guys were trying to frame us.
Yeah! He was just trying to get the evidence that you guys are the framers!
Chad Wild Play is Project Zorgo enemy #1.
And there's 2, 3, and 4!
What did we ever do to Project Zorgo? All we want to do is make good content on YouTube for our fans. That's it.
YouTube is a hotbed for dangerous content! It's time to be demonetized! Permanently!
Oh, Chad, I'm behind you!
Gotcha! Okay, yes, get off of me!
Oh! Yeah, Regina!
Yeah, hacker. We're like slacker.
Oh no! Let her go, man!
She betrayed Project Zorgo. I'm gonna rip her.
Oh! Come on, go!
Chad, you okay?
Chad, you okay, man? Guys, we gotta find something sharp to cut him out.
All right, where's something sharp? I don't see anything. You see anything, Daniel?
Oh, right here. Look here. Here's a really sharp rock.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Maybe we got something.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, then we got it working.
It's yeah, zip it. Okay,
Yes.
Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Are you okay, man?
They
I'm so glad to see you.
Thank you for saving me, you guys. I wasn't sure what was gonna happen.
Yeah.
But you know what, guys? I got the footage. I got the footage that I needed.
That's your card?
Yeah.
Oh,
I got it.
yes.
Okay.
Let's call the police.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Let's show him the footage. Show him you're innocent.
Yeah.
Officer.
The Qwaint! Girl in a mask!
Yeah.
Chad Wild Clay!
That's me. Yeah.
That's us.
You are all wanted!
Yes. I've got an SD card here. It proves all of our innocence. It's Project Zorgo set this all up. You need to review it. Do you have a phone on you or something?
Why, yes.
Here's plug the SD card in and watch the video. You'll see. Yeah. You'll see. It was Project Zorgo.
You see, they set that camera up.
Yep.
See, look, it's the hackers that are putting the mask on me, and they're framing me to make it look like I'm hacking.
So we're innocent.
All of us.
Yeah, you believe us now?
How compelling. I'm gonna take this footage to my supervisor, and you guys will know in due time if you guys are cleared or not. Stay vigilant.
Okay.
Oh,
The heck?
fast.
Yes,
That should be
Good job, Chad.
great.
Finally.
Yeah, well done. He's gonna show it to his supervisor, and they're gonna say innocent, PC4.
Yes.
I mean,
We're all innocent now. Thank you so much to all you spy ninjas who stick with us to thick and thin. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me, to Daniel, to Chad, and we will see you next time. Kickball!
Kickball!